Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of On the Road Again. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Campros 9-person tent. Before we get started, I just want to mention the bag has 2 new clips, and when you unclip it, you'll notice that they've given you a lot of extra space. That way, when you fold it back up, you've got some extra space to work with. That's a huge plus. Now let's go ahead and open up the bag. Now the instructions, if you've never set up a tent before, are right here. They're actually sewn into the bag. And step 1 is empty the bag and confirm all parts are included and undamaged. And it puts a little note here that you should do this at home before leaving on your trip. That's good information. The second part of step 1 is to lay out the body of the tent on the ground without rocks or sticks, not under trees, and place the tent door facing the desired direction. We're going to go ahead and do that now. So after you have everything out of the bag, this is what it's going to look like. You have the nice big tent surface. This is the dividing wall if you decide to use that. This is going to be the rain fly. The long package there, that is the poles, and the small package is the stakes. Let's start by setting up this tent step by step. We will be adding the time-lapse clock so you can see just how long it takes to build this tent once you find the perfect campsite. Step 2. Stake 4 corners of the tent on the ground first. Assemble the tent poles. Insert the body poles and side poles into the pole sleeves. Connect poles to the tent with the pins and the grommets. Repeat for all poles. Attach clips along the edges of the tent to body poles. Step 3. Put the rain fly on top of the tent. Make sure the door side matches your tent. Connect the S-hooks found at the rain fly corner with loop found at the tent corners. Put the rain fly pole C to expand the tent. Step 4. Stake down tent corners through the stake rings. Adjust the sliders to make sure the guy lines are tight. Now that we have the tent built, let's go ahead and take a look inside. Come on in, there's plenty of room. This tent has the dimensions of 16 feet wide by 9 feet deep by 6 feet tall, which means technically you could put 3 queen size mattresses that are 5 by 7 right inside here. Also, if you're under 6 feet tall, you're not going to have to bend over when you're walking around in here, which is a huge plus. Now, let's take a look at a few other layouts. This tent is made with a high quality 185T polyester with a polyurethane hydrostatic rated coating. It has a large mesh door, 3 mesh windows, and a mesh top that allows the breeze to come in but keeps the bugs out. It also includes an electrical access point, mesh pockets, a lantern hook, stakes, guy lines, and a carrying bag. There are multiple ways that you can actually put the tent back into the bag. This is the way I do it. I folded it up with the rain fly inside the tent, and now I have it laid out in a roll. I have the poles, the stakes, and I have the room divider right here. What you want to do is you lay it down here, and whatever the width of your poles is how wide you want your tent to be in a line. And then we're just going to roll it up. Thank you for watching another episode of On the Road Again. If you don't already own one of these Camp Pro 9-person tents, we highly recommend it. You won't be disappointed. If you do own one, we look forward to seeing you out on the trail. Happy camping, everyone. Bye.